Hello, this is TheCompsGuy. Today it's going to be a review of Caesar's Palace. This is the first hotel I stayed at. So, this is the closet when you first walk into the room. We stayed in Octavius' room. It was a king bedroom. Pretty big closet if you have nice stuff you want to hang up. There's an iron and an iron board. There's also a safe. I close that. I'm walking out, and there's the king-size bed. All the lights are on. I thought it was just easier to take with all the lights on. There's some Roman art, obviously reprint stuff. There's 4 mirrors, a little kind of couch thing, the TV. There's my laptop case. Then also I'm showing you that there is a little entertainment thing to where you can plug in your computer and whatever. They got HDMI, USB, everything else. This is the mini bar. I wasn't going to open it because once you open it, I think they charge you. As you can see, there's a Roman light here. It's just like a stand-up light. There's the mirror, my wife's bag. I'm showing you a little more of the couch. Then the room from basically all the way to the window to the door. It's a pretty big room. There's also like a lot of wall art. Even though it's generic, I still liked it. Here's a view of the Bellagio fountains. We're right up next to Bellagio. So basically we were on the freeway side. As you can see, I took this later in the day. It was dead. This was on a Wednesday night, I believe. And it was just really, really dead. You can see the streets for a Wednesday night in the middle of summer. Dead. So later that night, the fountains went on, and I just figured I'd show you the fountain view we had. You can see the whole show, which was really, really nice. I would give this a very high rating of about 8 or 9. Then at the end, I put a picture of the pool. I thought I had a whole video of it, but somehow it wasn't on my phone. Next time I go out there, I'll have a real camera. I'll be doing real stuff. So here's the pool. This is the main pool. It's just a picture. It's got the Roman columns. Water shooting out of it. Really nice. Yeah. So the video stopped. So once again, I'm the Comps Guy. Thank you for watching my video. Also, we got 2 nights comped. Basically, so it was $100 to stay in an upgraded room. So if you're able to find that, or even discount it, I highly recommend this. So once again, I'm the Comps Guy. Thank you, and happy spinning, guys.